We're going to teach you how to draw a basic 5-petal flower. First, what you need to do is draw a big circle in the middle, and then you want to start drawing your petal leaves one by one and drawing them as close to each other as possible. Try and make sure that the petals are equal. And there you have it, you have a basic flower. Now, we need to spice it up, so we're going to start teaching you how to draw some patterns and giving you some ideas on what to do with your flowers. You can draw a crisscross, you can do some polka dots, you can use different colors, and make it as colorful and creative as possible. And after you're satisfied with it, then you can start cutting it out. And there you go, there you have it. What you want to start doing is folding the petals towards the center so that when you place it in water, it will start blossoming. Just like that. And you want to do this with all the flowers that you have drawn on.